One civilian sustains injuries in suspected IED blast at Tangal Bazar, Ngari Gali this morning. And Home Minister Amit Shah says Citizenship Amendment Act has no provision to take away anyone's citizenship. Hello and welcome to Back News. You're watching Afternoon News and I'm Premi Thangjam with the top stories and latest news at this hour. One civilian sustained injuries when a suspected improvised explosive device IED exploded at Tangal Bazar, Ngari Gali under City Police Station in Imphal West District this morning. Impact News sources said that explosion occurred in front of a fermented fish shop belonging to one 44-year-old Pradeep Kumar Roy, son of late Prove Roy from Silchar at around 5 a.m. The injured civilian is 48-year-old Sivji from Uttar Pradesh. Sivji sustained injuries on his leg and immediately rushed to the hospital. Massive police personnel, including Imphal West Additional SP Operation Amarjit Lamapam, Imphal Police SDPO Kishore Chand and City Police OC immediately rushed to the spot where the bomb blasted. Thangwaiban MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan, who has also inspected the situation, strongly condemned the bomb blast that took place in a crowded area. He has assured to urge the authorities concerned to take necessary measures to arrest the miscreants involved in the incident at the earliest. Manipur Forensic Science team has also inspected the crime scene. Women vendors of Khairamban Market and shopkeepers of Tangal Bazar Ngari Gali have condemned this morning's bomb blast at Tangal Bazar Ngari Gali. They closed their shops and carried out a protest demonstration at Ngari Gali today, condemning the incident. Speaking to the media, one protester strongly condemned the bomb blast that occurred in a crowded place and appealed to those concerned not to repeat such misconduct. She also demanded Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren to probe into the incident and punish all the miscreants involved in the blast at the earliest.
अखोई मी मरक बाजार मनोंग हायरगा अखोई मी युम खर मैतै मयाम ताजरी को सी मरक सिदा की खंग नंगना बोम नुंग तौदना ममांग सो मुका पोखाई जखरे अदुबु अखोई भाप ता हौदे बोम नि पोखाई हरे अदु हंता कदि अनिरक सुदोइने मसैदम अकी खंग याहन बिदाबा मी ताजरी मैतै खा ताजरी बसिदा मयाम सुन जाति सुन तिन लेबा जगा असिदा अकी खंग नंग हनबिगनु अमु हना थोन बिगनु मरी लेनाबा अमसुंग अखोईगी सेम इबुंगना जो यंजनबियु मसेदा खै पुलिसिंगनासु खै सेक्शन यंजनबियु हाइबगी सि हाइजरगा दम बोसनजरगे.
Foreign Affairs Minister of Manipur State Council, de jure Government of Manipur base in London, Naringbam Samarjit, in a press release informed that the Council Chief Minister has notified the Indian Prime Minister to apply the Indian Republic Constitution only within the territories of India. The press release also stated that with the attainment of independence from the British Indian Dominion of India and Pakistan Dominion of Pakistan were formed. Subsequently, Indian states could accede to the Dominion of India by signing the Instrument of Accession after August 15, 1947. Samarjit stated that those states acceded to the Dominion of India are not Indian territories, as is clearly mentioned in Section 219 Clause 3 of the India Provisional Constitution Order 1947 that princely states merging with the Indian Union by executing Instrument of Accession do not become territories of India. Chairman of Manipur Building and Other Constructions Workers Welfare Board Manipur Haikam Dingo inaugurated a school uniform outlet called 7 Clans at Uri. Social scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laishram, Chief Manager of Allahabad Bank Imphal Branch, Ashutosh, attended at the inaugural function. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Haikam Dingo appreciated all the budding entrepreneurs of Manipur for creating jobs and boosting the state's economy. He wished 7 Clans all the best for its future endeavors. Speaking on the occasion, social scientist Dr. Dhanabir Laishram asserted that the school uniform outlet will contribute in empowering women weavers and generate jobs in Manipur.
ꯀꯩꯅꯣꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯂꯦꯠꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯃꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯇꯥꯛꯑꯦ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ 7 ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯁ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯁꯂꯥꯏ 8ꯀꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯡꯊꯣꯟꯕ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯂꯦꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯁ꯭ꯀꯨꯜꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯌꯨꯅꯤꯐꯣꯔꯝꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯔꯥꯡ ꯀꯥꯏꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯏꯖꯤꯂꯤ ꯑꯦꯕꯥꯏꯂꯦꯕꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯜꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯈꯨꯗꯣꯡꯆꯥꯕ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯂꯦꯠ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯊꯝꯖꯒꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯂꯦꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯡꯕꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯚꯤꯅ꯭ꯌꯨꯗꯁꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯆꯧꯕ ꯁꯣꯔꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯏꯟꯀꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯇꯉꯥꯏꯐꯗꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯥꯎꯠꯂꯦꯠ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯁꯨꯡꯁꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ
7 ꯀ꯭ꯂꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯗ ꯄꯥꯏꯔꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯆꯨꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯨꯝꯒꯤ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯒ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯏꯟ ꯀꯣꯔꯁ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯈꯟꯖꯕꯗ ꯚꯦꯖꯤꯇꯦꯕꯜ ꯗꯥꯏꯠꯁꯨ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯗꯣꯏꯅꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯥꯎꯅꯗꯅ ꯃꯅꯥ ꯃꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯍꯦꯛꯑꯒ ꯆꯨꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯌꯦꯡꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗꯤ ꯏꯄꯥ ꯏꯄꯨꯅ 25 ꯃꯣꯔ ꯗꯦꯟ 25 ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯑꯝꯕ ꯕꯠ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯅꯕ ꯃꯤ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯖꯤꯀꯦꯜ ꯂꯟ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯤ.
Around 10-year-old Elangbam Bijeshwari alias Toibi, daughter of 54-year-old Elangbam Ingocha from Hianglam Awang Laikai, has been missing since December 23rd. Bijeshwari is chubby and around 4 feet 8 inches tall. She has long hair and a fair complexion with round face. She was last seen wearing a pair of black jeans, pants, black and white t-shirt and black shoes. Anybody coming across the girl is requested to report at Kukching District Police or Hianglam Police Station or any nearby police station. And on that note, it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Home Minister Amit Shah declaring that the Citizenship Amendment Act has no provision to take away anyone's citizenship. We'll be right back. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break, and you're watching Afternoon News. Home Minister Amit Shah has said that the Citizenship Amendment Act, CAA, has no provision to take away anyone's citizenship. Addressing a rally in Shimla, Amit Shah challenged opposition parties to show even one clause in the act that has provision to take away the citizenship of anyone. The Home Minister said minorities in neighboring countries suffering from atrocities in the name of religion have been given citizenship. He said Congress and company are spreading rumors that the citizenship of the minorities will be taken away with the Citizenship Amendment Act. He listed the scrapping of Article 370 and the Supreme Court's decision that paved a way for the construction of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya among the achievements of the BJP government at the center. Amit Shah said the Modi government has approved one rank, one pension that gave relief to so many retired military personnel. He said 35,000 crore rupees have been deposited in the accounts of retired army personnel under one rank, one pension scheme. Amit Shah also congratulated Himachal Pradesh Chief Minister Jairam Thakur for ensuring groundbreaking of project worth 13,500 crore rupees in less than 2 months of an investor meeting in the state. He said Himachal was the first state to give an LPG connection to all the families under Grihini Suvidha Yojana. In Mumbai, a large number of people gathered for a pro-CAA rally at the historic August Kranti Maidan last evening. The rally, organized by BJP's Sanvidhan Samman Manch, was led by former Chief Minister and current opposition leader in the State Assembly, Devendra Fadnavis. Addressing the rally, Devendra Fadnavis said that the Congress and the left parties have tricked and misled ordinary people for some votes. The supporters of CAA were seen carrying national flags around, along with placards with pro-CAA and NRC messages and shouting slogans. They were also carrying photographs of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. And now to sports news. Churchill brothers will play against Indian Arrows in a league match of the ongoing Hero I-League at Goa's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium tonight at 7. Churchill brothers with 6 points has occupied the 4th position in the league's table tally. If Indian Arrows ever emerge successful in today's match, it will be their first winning match. Kerala Blasters will lock horns with Northeast United in a match of the ongoing Indian Super League ISL 2019-2020 at Kerala's Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium at 7:30 tonight. In yesterday's league match played at Odisha's Kalinga Stadium, Odisha FC beat Jamshedpur FC by 2-1. For the winning team, Eridane Santana scored 2 goals at the 28 and 45 plus 1 minute, while the lone goal of the losing team was scored by Aitor Monre at the 38th minute of the match. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. One civilian sustains injuries in a suspected IED blast at Tangal Bazar Ngari Gully this morning. And Home Minister Amit Shah says Citizenship Amendment Act has no provision to take away anyone's citizenship.